This is today's talk where we meet people, create memories, and explore opportunities every Tuesday and Thursday of the week.
So, if wala na kami dito ni Miss May,
Ayun,
baka
nag-master na tayo.
Hey guys, I hope you're well. This is Mika, and today we're doing another episode of Today's Talk where we meet people, create memories, and explore opportunities every Tuesday and Thursday of the week. High quality education at affordable cost. This sums up what Germany has to offer. But of course, there are many other advantages of studying in Germany, and today we will discuss that with our guest who represents Gisma University of Applied Sciences. Alright, so as mentioned earlier, we have a guest from one of our partner schools in Germany, and now she's here. Thank you so much for joining us in this podcast, Miss May. If you can introduce yourself, please.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be here today. My name is May, or you can call me Maria. I'm the Regional Director of Gisma University of Applied Sciences to the Southeast Asia.
Alright, so she is representing Gisma University of Applied Sciences. So we would love to learn more about your school, Miss May.
Yes, of course. Gisma is a fully state-recognized university, and we have two campuses. We have Berlin and Potsdam campus. We offer programs in business, the tech programs. We have engineering for bachelor's and master's.
Alright. So you have two campuses in Germany, and we would like to know more po about these campus locations. Ano ba yung vibe in these cities? Ano yung ma-expect ng mga international students? Ano yung environment sa Germany po in these two locations?
Yes, of course. The two campuses that we have, Berlin campus is a dedicated campus for the undergraduate programs or the bachelor programs. Also for the double degree, we have the UK and Germany degree. So these programs, again, this is for the Berlin campus. Berlin is the capital of Germany.
Yes.
So it's so busy, right?
Yes.
So it's not just like it's in a capital. The good thing is that where the campus itself located, this is in the main high street. Okay,
right.
The business area, we're in very near kami sa mga shops, sa mga restaurants, no, nightlife. If gusto ng nightlife, right? Yan ang maganda. So, kaya pang undergraduate, no, for young people, they like to be in this busy, like city. Then this is the right campus for them, the Berlin campus. And of course, marami ding mga magagandang tourist destination here that they can explore. Actually, may mga ginagawa kaming activity throughout the years na sila ay nag-aaral. Wherein, mini-make sure namin na nagkakaroon sila ng tour sa mga museums, mga popular historical and tourist destination to know the city itself and the country to immerse, no? At ang ating namang Potsdam campus, this is, by the way, 30 minutes away only from Berlin. They can take the train from Berlin. Ang maganda dito, kung gusto niyo ng medyo chill na vibe, scenery, little bit of countryside, but still a city, then Potsdam. This is a dedicated campus para sa ating master's degree. So, ang maganda din dito, malaki yung campus natin, yung Innovation Hub campus namin. At at the same time is marami din po silang makukuha ng mga part-time job in this city.
Alright. So you mentioned about part-time job po. So ano po yung usual for international students based on the experiences ng mga students niyo po?
Yeah, so here's the thing. Like when we talk about part-time jobs for an international student, para siyang the same sa other countries. Wherever you go in any country, this is what I learned through the years in my experience in the industry, handling different study destination. Because you come to the country as an international student, wala pa kayong parang enough na qualification to be qualified to work doon sa mga medyo mataas ka agad, no? The work kung gugustuhin natin. Kasi sometimes yung expectation we need to set then. So pag international student ka, it's like how similar din here in the Philippines. Working student, you work in restaurants, you work in a fast food, you work in a hotel, hospitality most of the time na mga work-related. So those are the kinds of job na nakukuha ng ating mga international student. And talking about that, ang maganda naman sa Germany, mataas din ang kanilang minimum wage.
Yes.
Okay, so they actually has the fifth highest minimum wage in Europe, 12.82 euros per hour. So medyo mataas ang palitan ng euros ngayon, nasa 66 pesos. So if you're going to compute that, that's more than 800 plus pesos per hour.
Per hour yun, guys.
Yes.
And yung cost of living nila is also mas mababa in comparison to other countries.
Correct.
Na umaabot ng ilang milyon, pati yung sa show money requirement nila and all that. So again, as an international student, you are allowed to work part-time while your class is in session.
Correct.
All right. And let's talk more about the programs po na ina-offer ng GISMA because you have like undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Ano po ba yung mga unique na programs ng GISMA?
Yeah, so if we talk about the bachelor's and the master, very similar. Ang difference lang because it's undergraduate and this is a postgraduate or the master. So we have computer engineering, we have software engineering, computer science. We have as well business management with different specialization under logistic, finance. We have project management, cybersecurity, and then we have human resources under the business management and then we have international relation, international business management, and also, meron tayong bagong master na nakakatuwa kasi very, very, kumbaga, relevant these days. We have now the masters ng social media influencer in marketing.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Yeah, very interesting, right?
Not common, yeah.
And then, of course, the Global MBA. So, ang maganda sa Global MBA namin, this is something na we are very proud of because ang taas ng accreditation na meron kami sa Global MBA, it's called the AMBA accreditation. 5 universities lang in Germany ang meron ng AMBA and 2% ng universities worldwide. So, ganun siya kataas, prestigious, na accreditation for the Global MBA. Then, we have 4 intakes sa lahat ng programs. We have January, April, July, and October. And ang maganda, kami rin lang ang German university at the moment who has the double degree. So, ang double degree, this is in partnership with Kingston University and GISMA University. Pwede kayong mag-aral ng bachelor's and master's. May specific program tayo na pwede nilang aralin with the double degree. And if we talk about double degree, as in double.
Dalawang qualification.
Yes, hindi lang siya accreditation. And it's UK, it's UK and Germany. So it will give you more opportunities in the future kasi kayo po ay pwedeng magtrabaho sa Germany at the same time kung magkaroon ng magandang job offer in the United Kingdom and London, pwede po kayong magtrabaho. Siyempre, pounds yun. So,
yes.
Win-win tayo, Win-win. At ang maganda, same price din. Hindi nila kailangan gumastos ng super mahal or duration na doble. It's going to be integrated, both the UK modules and the Germany during the time na sila ay nag-aaral, whether it's a bachelor or the master's ng double degree.
All right. There's a lot of programs offered by GISMA, diverse program offerings for international students. And of course, when you come to Infinity, we will make sure na i-offer namin sa inyo yung pinakamaganda na option for you guys. And the good thing is they have the dual program. So, Miss May, I would like to know more about this setup po. So, for example, are they gonna study like a year in Germany and then another year in the UK? Paano po yun?
Okay. So, ganito ang mangyayari since syempre ang apply natin from the very beginning is applying to GISMA University. You're gonna apply to the German embassy and get the visa to Germany. Ang first year ninyo is gonna be in Germany.
Okay.
Now, you have the option. Option lang siya.
Option
kung
lang
gusto
siya.
mo
Alright.
to go to Kingston on the second year. If you like the experience UK, pwede naman, why not? We will arrange everything for you as an exchange student. And then you come back to Germany, mag-graduate kayo doon, and then you do the next step towards, of course, the, like the post-study work visa eventually.
All right. So the good thing is, if you would like to study in Germany lang, pwede.
Pwede.
And at the same time, if you would like to study in 2 countries, experience
Pwede
both
din.
cultures, pwede rin.
True.
Only at GISMA University. And the good thing is they have unique programs as well. So yung mga gusto na mag-pursue ng about sa social media influencer thingy, they also have that master's qualification. Very unique.
True.
Parang ngayon ko lang na-encounter yung ganong master's program.
Super interesting kasi nga, it's very relevant.
Yes.
Everyone now is into social media and marami na talaga rin tayong mga influencer, no?
So, if wala na kami dito ni Miss May,
Ayun.
baka
Nag-master
nag-aaral
na
ulit
tayo.
kami ng ganung program. Kami pala yung naging unang student sa
Correct.
program na to. Why not? But of course, we would be happy to assist you guys with your application. Kayo muna, yung
Yeah.
application nyo muna ang uunahin natin. Alright.
Sure.
So, now let's go back po dun sa support naman na in-offer ng GISMA. Because of course, they are going to Germany kahit na alam nila na may na English-speaking country din siya. Ano po yung ma-offer niyo na support sa mga international students natin?
Well, actually, ang maganda no, sa GISMA University, marami kaming mga ino-offer na support sa ating mga international student. Number one is, of course, accommodation. Ayan, lagi naman yan. Kasi pupunta ka in a country na hindi naman lahat ay may kamag-anak or may kaibigan or ay kakilala. It's a different country where we live. Nandito tayo sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Now, kapag kayo ay ando na kayo sa stage ng application, meron kami niyan sa website na namin. Nandiyan na yung mga partner accommodations namin that you can choose para sa inyong pag-apply. And then, of course, meron din kaming magandang service na ibinibigay sa mga student namin through the career services namin. So, very important yan kasi ang goal ng career services namin is for our international student to have a high employability. And we have that. Very high employability ng mga graduates namin. So, very competitive tayo. Palagi kong sinasabi kapag nagkakaroon ako ng mga info session, parang restaurant yan eh. Kung masarap ang pagkain, magandang reviews. It's the same with the university. Very important din sa amin ang employability that will tell na talagang naging maayos, no? Ang naibigay namin hindi lang basta ang education sa ating mga international student, but because of course for them para magkaroon sila ng magandang career opportunities. Now, marami kaming mga partners na mga companies sa Germany. Nandiyan na ang SAP. SAP is one of the tech giant, no? Hindi lang sa Germany, sa buong Europe, wherein meron kami din mga event with them na talaga namang madali at naililink ka agad or na-connect ang ating mga international student. Now, pagdating naman sa preparation, meron din kami yan sa career services natin wherein tinutulungan natin ang mga international student namin to do like, proper writing ng kanilang CV or resume. Then, meron din kaming personality development workshop. Meron din kaming mock interviews para mas maging ready sila. At the same time, may mga internship din yung masters namin so we can help them, connect them para sa mga companies where they can do the internship and then mga job fair, career fair, those kind of things na talaga namang super malaki ang naitutulong sa ating mga international student. And of course, kung meron silang mga additional na mga support na kailangan, meron kaming student services that can assist them anytime. At ang maganda rin, meron din kaming additional service in bringing the dependents in Germany. Kasi isa yan sa importante.
Yes.
Lalo sa ating mga Pilipino, no, sa mga kababayan natin, tayo ay laging gusto ay kasama ang pamilya
buy one,
natin.
take one. Buy one, take all. As much as
Meron
possible.
kami. So may assistance din kami for that.
Alright. So, usually, Miss May, yung mga ganitong student support services ay ino-offer niyo po for free, no? Sa mga international students.
Yes. Yun lang sa pagdadala ng dependents because mayroon kaming partner na immigration, company that will help you to process the visa and everything requirements. They're only charging 250 euros for the service.
Alright. And just to give more information on that one, guys. So, yung student, you will go there on a student visa, and then later on, if you would like to bring your dependents with you, they may apply through the family reunification visa. And yung spouse nyo would be able to work full-time kapag nasa Germany na sila.
True.
So, sa mga program nyo po ba, English ba yung medium of instruction po?
So, ang ating mga programs, lahat 100% taught in English. Tama si Mika doon. That's why hindi po kami nagre-require ng German language. So, palagi yan din ang parang nagiging challenge, no? At iniisip na, baka kailangan natin agad ng German language to apply to Germany. Well, it depends, no? May mga school na required nila because ang program nila ay hindi 100% in English, but in GISMA University, ay lahat po ay nasa English ang ating programs. That's why we do not require the German language, even sa visa application. But to set the expectation ulit, pagdating nyo doon, you need to learn the language eventually because you're in Germany at hindi sila, ang main language is English, no? So, meron kaming add-on German language para na course for them. they can take that during their convenient time.
If you would like to study in Germany, hindi nyo kailangan agad maging proficient in German language, and they will accept yung medium of English po ba as medium of instruction?
Yes, pwede ang MOI. Basta sila ay 2 years kakagraduate lang.
Alright.
Okay? Kung hindi naman, lahat ng English test is accepted. Like IELTS, Duolingo, PTE. Kung ayaw pa rin, meron po kaming libreng English test. GISMA English test, wala kayong babayaran. It's very similar to Duolingo. Pwede nyo pong i-take yun.
Alright. So, meron kayong tatlong options, guys. First, you request for the English as Medium of Instruction certificate. Pero of course, may conditions yun, kung sino lang yung pwede.
Yes.
And then the second one, they offer the free English test sa GISMA.
Yes.
And then the next one would be you take your IELTS, your PTE.
True.
And this one, it will help you as well sa mga other applications nyo later on. So, yeah.
Correct. Huwag kayong matakot, no? Wala kayong natatakot sa mga English test. Hindi naman. Madali lang siya. Actually, most of our students pumapasa naman ang tataas pa nga ng nakukuhang score.
Yes. So now, let's talk about po yung mga scholarships and fees ng GISMA, because if there is one thing na maganda sa GISMA, ang dami nilang scholarships na ino-offer currently for international students. So we would love to know more about those.
Yes, of course, ang maganda sa ating mga scholarship na ino-offer ngayon is super malaki. No? Malaki ang discounts na makukuha ninyo as an international student. So number one, kung kayo po ay undergraduate, of course, yung mga K-12 natin, ang best candidate for this one, mag-apply kayo ng bachelor's namin, mayroon kaming tinatawag na High School Achievers Scholarship. With the High School Achievers, you can get as much as 50%.
Wow.
Alright? So, paano yan? Dapat mataas ang grade.
Yes.
By merit siya. So, kung ang grade mo is 89 above, may 50% ka kaagad. Ginalingan. Kung ikaw ay below 89, nasa mga 70 to 89, 70, mababa na yun. Meron ka pa rin na discount sa mga around nasa mga 30 to 40%.
Mataas pa din.
Mataas pa rin, right? And then, kung ikaw naman ay pang-masters, mayroon naman kaming discount ng 20, mayroong 30, may 35%. Depends naman yan sa payment plan ninyo. So, kung gusto niyo ng installment plan, pwede po, 3,000 euros deposit lang ang required natin, then you'll get 20% na discount sa total ng tuition. Paano kung nagbago yung isip? Parang gusto ko na siyang ibayaran ng buo after magbayad ng deposit na kakuha na ng visa. As long as ang timeline ay 3 months before the start of the class, i-upgrade natin ang discount sa 30%. Okay, adjust natin yan.
Alright.
Now, from the very beginning at gusto mo kaagad ng malaking discount, yung 35%, the maximum discount that you can get, then magbayad ka agad ng full 1 year. So, para makuha yon. Now, meron din kaming tinatawag na Women in Tech Scholarship. Pang babae, no? Unfortunately, di para sa mga lalaki. So, sino ang best candidate dito? I-apply mo kung tingin mo ay super maganda ang profile mo pagdating sa tech. So, number one, nakagraduate ka ng any tech-related na degree. You have a very good work experience, at least 3 years minimum. Same industry sa tech industry din. Pwede kang i-assess ng admission. Pwede kang mabigyan ng 50 to 100% scholarship with that. Ang laki nun. So, ang binibigyan namin yan ng scholarship na yan in a year ng 50% ay 12 na students.
12 slots for this scholarship.
Yeah, sa buong mundo na po yun hindi lang sa Pilipinas.
Very
so talagang kung maganda ang profile mo,
yes.
Why not try? There's no harm in trying.
Yes.
At yung 100% apat na lucky student per year. So per intake, isang estudyanteng lucky ang ating binibigyan ng 100% na discount. Now, hindi pa po tapos. Meron pa din.
Meron pa. Wait, there's more.
Meron kaming bago ngayon. So, wag mag-alala kung ikaw ay hindi babae. Meron naman kaming yung Think Scholarship. With that naman, kung ang background mo din, graduate ka rin ng tech, and then ang iyong program na i-apply dapat, very specific din lang. Pati dun sa Women in Tech pala, dapat data science and AI, tsaka yung master ng engineering ng computer science. With the Think Scholarship, dapat the same din yung masters ng data science and AI, pang master siya, hindi pang bachelor. And then yung isa yung digital transformation na masters, and then yung ating last din yung computer engineering ng, masters ng engineering computer science.
Ang dami nun para
Dami.
makabisado ninyo. Pero what you have to
Exactly.
do, guys, is to consult with Infinity Counselors and we would be happy to provide you with more information. So, imagine, guys, up to 50% scholarship usually, and then kung swerte ka and sobrang pangmalakasan ng iyong profile,
Yeah.
up to 100% ang scholarship. And the good thing about Germany is they have the block account, di ba,
Yeah.
Miss May? So, you don't have to provide bank statements. You just have to open a block account
Yes.
and then deposit yung 1 year na living cost nyo. And then pag nandun na kayo, you don't have to worry sa panggastos nyo for the next 12 months
Yes,
because
yes.
nandun na agad. Right?
Oo, totoo yun. So,
Mm-mm.
yun din ang difference ng Germany, no? Ang maganda, ang Germany is really like, ang system nila is designed for you to be ready.
Ang ganda ng mga in-offer. Yes, ma'am. Magaganda yung programs
Oo.
nila. Very relevant in today's digital world.
Correct.
Yes, and
Correct.
also they offer plenty of scholarships depende sa profile ninyo.
Mm.
So, ang importante lang is ma-assess kayo ng mga counselors namin.
So, I cannot parang end this ating podcast without highlighting or mentioning ng benefits ng Germany.
So, isa-isahin natin, Miss May, yung benefits ng pag-study nila in Germany. Ano-ano po yun?
Yeah. So, number one, meron silang access sa 29 na European countries
Yes.
without a visa. 29 European countries
Yes.
without a visa at hindi mo kailangan lahat ay may flights. Okay? You can go from one European country to another by train lang. Yung Eurotrain natin, ang Germany po is in Central Europe. At border to border tayo by land. Andyan ang Denmark, andyan ang France, andyan ang Spain, andyan ang Luxembourg, andyan ang Poland, Belgium, and other European countries. And ang travel hindi kailangan sobrang layo. Yun ang importante. Padalawang benefit po is pag ikaw ay nakapasok na sa Germany as an international student, of course, ay pwede ka rin pong mag-apply ng post-study work visa
Yes.
after your graduation.
Yes.
Importante yun.
Yes. So, this is
Kasi-
valid for 18 months.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Lahat po ng program na i-apply nyo sa GISMA, whether it's a bachelor degree or a master's degree, will give you the post-study work visa for 18 months.
Yeah.
And then in certain conditions, you can extend it further another 18 months.
Yes.
Now, may susunod na step after nun. Ang EU Blue Card.
EU Blue Card.
So kung kanina, pwede kayong mag-travel sa iba't ibang European countries without a visa, alam niyo po ba na kung kayo ay pwede nang mag-apply ng EU Blue Card, this EU Blue Card will allow you to work sa iba't ibang European countries din. So hindi lang travel, trabaho din.
Trabaho.
No? So paano natin makukuha si EU Blue Card? Bigyan natin kayo ng parang basic lang na requirements for that. So number one, dapat nakatapos kayo ng degree sa Germany. Which you did. Nag-aral kayo, whether it's master's again or a bachelor degree po yan. Padalawa, required nila, ang work na dapat nakuha nyo na full-time ay dapat aligned sa inyong natapos na program. Patatlo, dapat doon sa full-time job na aligned ang nakuha ninyo ay meron kayong 45,000 annual salary
Yes. So, meron silang salary threshold na kailangan yung ma-meet.
for the
For
EU
yeah.
Blue Card.
Yes.
And that is below the minimum. Kasi po, ang minimum nasa 55,000. So, kuhang-kuha yan. So, kung nakuha na lahat, apply ng EU Blue Card, work in Germany, 2 years po na work experience, ay pwede na kayong mag-start ng pag-apply ng permanent residency.
So, mabilis
Yeah.
ang process, ang pathway nyo to permanent residency if you study in
Yeah.
Germany and particularly at GISMA
Yeah.
University.
So, dun sa sinabi ko na after the EU Blue Card and 2 years work experience, wala nang iba pa
Yes.
na kailangang i-consider like other study destination na kailangan nyo ng edad. Kailangan ng program ulit. Kailangan ng location kung saan ka.
Yes.
Because sila ay point system.
Yes.
So, yun din ang malaking difference ni Germany. Wala pong ganon.
Mm.
And again, bringing your spouse and your children. Pwedeng-pwede rin po pag nasa Germany na kayo, at least minimum ng 3 months. We have a service for that. Yun po ang maganda. And apart from that, ang maganda rin, bukod sa working ang inyong spouse,
Yes.
ang inyong pong children can have the free education din. Now, sa Germany po, until university. So, yun din po ang malaking difference ni Germany sa other study destination. Now, ang isa pa, healthcare.
Which is very important.
Very important.
The
Libre din
benefit,
po
yeah.
ang kanilang healthcare. So, ang hindi lang basta libre. Kasi ang Germany, when it comes to medicine, very advanced.
Mm.
Super, super advanced sila.
Yes.
So, magandang facilities, world-class ang mga hospitals at ang mga doctors natin. So, you're in good hands. So, those are the benefits na pwede ninyong makuha sa Germany as an international student. And I believe na hindi nyo makukuha sa ibang study destination. May similarity, pero may mga advantages at mas malaking benefits na on top of that na nakukuha sa Germany. So, for me, kung kayo ay talagang naghahanap ng opportunity and of course, through the study pathway, mag-upgrade ng education, getting the internationally recognized qualification, mag-enjoy ka pa at the same time.
Traveling.
Pamilya is there with you. Libreng education and healthcare. Wala na po tayong hahanapin pa sa Germany.
Sa Germany na tayo pumunta. And thank you so much for all those information, Ms. May. And if you would like to know more about your study options at Kisma University of Applied Sciences and your opportunities after you study in Germany, please feel free to book a consultation with Infinity through our Facebook page and our website, and we would be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. All right. So again, thank you so much for joining us in this podcast, Ms. May. Pero of course, susulitin natin ang oras mo na nandito ka sa aming office by doing the tea time.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright, so now nandito na tayo sa most exciting part ng podcast, which is the tea time. So of course, as a guest, si Ms. May will also do it with us. So meron kaming 5 questions na prepare for her. Wala siyang any idea about all these questions. So we'll see kung ano yung baon ni Ms. May, ng mga words of wisdom and all for us today. So are you ready, Ms. May?
Ready na.
Kahit hindi ready si Ms. May, wala siyang
ba
choice. Pero as always, lagi naman siyang handa sa mga ganitong usapan and chikahan. So let's start.
Let's start.
Please pick one and then I'll open it for you po.
Okay.
So for the first
Nasa tibag talaga
question,
siya, no?
Yes.
Cute.
So tea number 1, this is very a bagay sa'yo na question. What makes you confident?
Oh, that's a very good question. You know, palagi ko ring iniisip sa sarili ko kasi when I encounter people, they tell me that I'm very confident.
Yes.
For me, siguro from experience in life, at the same time is parang ano yan especially, kung for example ganito, example na lang natin, we're gonna do a podcast like this, kailangan talaga ready ka.
Yes.
Hindi ka pwede nasasabak ka nang wala ka man lang anything na ni-review or chinek din. Although, this is my job and I do it in my everyday life, is iba pa rin na alam mo kung ano yung sinasabi mo. That will make you confident, right?
Yes.
You need to prepare. Kung prepare ka sa lahat ng bagay, it will give you confidence. Yun
And
lang.
true po yung sinasabi nila, na knowledge is power.
Correct.
And also, isa pa sa nagbibigay ng confidence sa atin, well, at least with me, ay kapag okay yung get-up natin.
The same. Yun din ang sasabihin ko.
Tingnan nyo naman ang look ni Ms. May for this podcast. Pinaghandaan.
Yes.
We love it so much.
Kailangan natin yan. No?
Yes.
Sometimes may mga nagsasabi rin sa akin through other people. Mga friends din na kumbaga, in a way na na-appreciate ko din, like how they see me. No, sometimes, yung iba na hindi ako kilala, they're curious din, know how I do this and that. So, palagi kong sinasabi, syempre, may branding din tayo.
Yes. Ang branding natin ay ganda-ganda.
Very important ang branding kasi we are in the international education industry. Pang-international tayo we have to play the part. No, yun lang masasabi ko. So, bigyan natin yan ng magandang, kumbaga, effort din. Hindi tayo pwede na hindi tayo presentable.
Yes. And siguro after this one, sasama ko kay Ms. May para mag-shopping ng next na susuotin. Para sa next na podcast namin, right?
Correct.
So, question number 2 tayo, Ms. May. This one medyo serious siya and deep question. If you could go back in time and talk to your younger self, what would you say?
Ano naman pang Miss Universe sa mga question natin?
Kasi pinaghandaan mo. So, tamang-tama lang yung mga questions.
Kung babalik ako sa younger days ko, no? Ano yung gusto kong gawin?
Ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanya?
At my
after everything that you've been through and seeing where you are right now. Anong message mo kay young Maria Papa?
So for me talagang, kasi alam mo, when I was young, ito lang ang palagi kong sinasabi rin ngayon din kahit sa aking mga anak, no, sa children ko, like my parents raised me well. Okay? And hindi lang basta-basta, ang discipline is very important in life. Yung pagiging responsible din. Anywhere, anything you do, whatever you do in life, yan ay babaunin mo at magbe-benefit ka in the future. So yan lang yung sinundan ko nung bata ako. Discipline, responsibility, na small things, big things, you have to take a responsibility for that, even sa pag-aaral. Very important. So kung kakausapin ko yung sarili ko, now in my status in life, I'm very thankful na sinundan mo yon. Very thankful na sinundan mo yon.
Yes.
Naniwala ka or naniwala ako sa parents ko na yan ang basic things in life na dapat meron ako to be able na magkaroon ako ng magandang future. And I think I did it.
Ang ganda nun. The value of parenting. Sa atin as children. Hindi ako kagaya pa ni Miss May sa mga na-experience niya in life. But siguro, I would tell my younger self na you are exactly where you are. Di ba?
Ngayon,
at that time. So, just enjoy every moment, every bit of it. So,
Totoo. True.
And be proud kung ano man yung na-achieve mo na so far in your journey.
Correct.
Okay.
Parang na-enjoy ko ang tea time.
Yes. Actually, ito yung mas na-enjoy nila to. Kesa po yung
Kasi yung formal-formalan natin. Yeah.
So this one, what's the most interesting thing you have in your bag? Nakita ko ang bag ni Miss May. Ang ganda.
Ano ba? Most interesting.
Pwede po ba nating makita ang
Kunin
laman?
natin.
Ano ba ang laman? Ano yung pinaka-interesting na laman
Siguro,
ng bag?
ang hindi ko lang lagi din pwedeng makalimutan. Yung mga makeup natin, palagi naman yan, di ba?
Pero ano pa? Ano pa po yung parang...
Like lipstick, yung kakaiba.
Naging what's in your bag?
Oo, parang ganon. And then this is so funny and so nice. Sorry, not promoting any brand. This is like a thing that you use for doing the cat eye. Kasi hindi ako magaling mag-makeup. So lalo kung tayo ay kung tayo ay laging humaharap sa mga events and kailangan natin yan sa industry that we do like the makeups and everything. So minsan I like to have the cat eye. So hirap gawin, right? So parang liko-liko, naubos na yung time mo na ko, erase mo naman and everything. So I found this on TikTok, not promoting any brand again, no? Ini-stamp. So ginaganon mo lang. On the go, left and right. And then pwede mo rin siyang i-angle.
Ano po yan?
Ina-angle mo siya. Nagagalaw mo siya ganon. Kung medyo nahirapan ka, mas madali siyang i-angle mo siya. Tapos may pang left, may pang right din. Tinuruan! Swerte naman ang may brand nito na na-promote. So yeah, this is one of the parang laging pang mabilisan tayo.
Yes.
So meron tayo dapat lagi yung mga things na that will make our life easier. Bakit natin pahirapan ang sarili natin? So if you see things na parang, very time consuming, do it easier.
Find something na will give you less time in preparing.
Yes. So ayun po.
Yun yung pinaka-interesting so far. And siguro sa next session natin, nagme-makeup na kami.
Yun naman. Naging vlogger na kami ng makeup ni Mika.
So tuturuan niya ako mag-makeup next time, guys. But for now, tatapusin muna natin ang tea time.
Ang last natin.
So last question for Miss May before matapos ang episode na to. This one is very nice question for you.
Sige.
What makes you feel like you're a superwoman or a supermom?
Oh yeah, that's a very good question. So, kailangan natin kasing i-balance lahat, no? Work, family, most of the time then I get this na they think that I'm single. Like, wala akong anak.
Mukha lang.
Mukha lang.
May, pero hindi.
Binabalanse lang talaga natin. Hindi naman natin...
That's a good compliment.
Yes, hindi naman natin then lang dapat tayo laging hagardo versosa because we have a family to look after, a job na meron tayo and so on and so forth. So ako so far nababalanse ko lahat yan, no? Ang life as a mom, as a wife, and as a regional director for Gizma, nababalanse ko lahat ang aking time for that. I think that's very important. Yung time management, no?
Yes.
And traveling, I travel a lot. So talagang pang super mom tayo. So I think lahat naman tayo, no? Basta nababalanse lang natin yung time natin. Again, time management is very important. We can be a super mom. You know? Pwede tayo maging Darna din.
Yes.
Pag sexy na. Labas ang bato.
Ding, nasa ng bato. I love those things na you mentioned, Miss May, because it's true na we're doing a lot of, especially in this international education industry.
Very demanding ang time.
Ang dami mong kailangan gawin. And if nagagawa mo siya while looking after your family, looking after your parents, your personal life, relationships,
Correct.
work, and all, pag nababalance mo lahat yan, and
Superwoman
you're
ka
able
na.
to allot time due for that particular thing,
Yes.
that means na you are a superwoman.
Yes, correct.
And sa mga mommies natin, you're a super mom.
Yeah, thank
Kasi
you.
it's not easy to
Totoo
have kids,
yan.
to raise kids while you are working for their future.
True.
So, mga ganyan. Right. Ang ganda ng mga questions for today's
Kaya nga,
episode.
nakakatawa naman yan.
So, to end po, Miss May, the podcast, what do you want to say po sa ating viewers and those, especially those na gustong mag-aral po in Germany and those na wala pang choice when it comes to the destination?
Okay, so first, I want to say thank you, of course, Mika,
Yes.
Mai, and the team, the Infinity team for having me this afternoon. Super na-enjoy ko ang podcast. Kasi this is my first time having not just talking about the school, but yung tea time natin. Nakakatawa din naman, no, na ma-experience talking about other things, about life, na positive, na makakapulot din ng aral yung ating mga viewers this afternoon. So, masasabi ko lang sa inyo ngayon, you have the basic information for Germany na. All you need to do is book your one-on-one consultation with Infinity Migration Team. They have branches all over Philippines to know more about, of course, the process. They will assist you sa school admission. They will assist you then para sa application ng visa, step-by-step process. And of course, nandito din ako para i-guide kayo anything na kailangan ninyo. If you want to know further ng mga details about GISMA University and other things, pagtutulungan natin. Kung ready kayo, then let's do it.
Let's do it.
Apply na.
Apply na. So again, if you would like to get started in your journey to success in Germany, please feel free to book a consultation with Infinity. We have 9 branches across the Philippines and expert counselors to guide you with your application to GISMA. And if you would like to connect with Miss May, that's also possible. So please get in touch with us through our Facebook page and our website. And again, Miss May, thank you for joining us today. Until next time, everyone. Bye and stay safe.
Bye!